Fiverr has changed a lot since it launched. In 2025, it's no longer just a place for cheap $5 gigs. It's a global marketplace where freelancers are using artificial intelligence to deliver high-quality services at scale. And here's the best part. You don't need years of experience to get started. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Fiverr profile the right way, which AI-powered gigs are in demand this year, and the proven strategies that will help you stand out from thousands of other sellers. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn Fiverr into a consistent income stream. Your Fiverr profile is like your storefront. Clients make decisions in seconds, so presentation is everything. Use a clean, professional logo instead of a random selfie. Write a description that highlights reliability, fast delivery, and the fact that you leverage AI tools to get clients results quickly. Upload at least 2 or 3 gigs so your profile looks active. Fiverr's algorithm rewards sellers who appear professional, even when they're brand new. Also, take the time to fill in your skills, education, and languages. Many beginners skip this step, but these details build trust with buyers, and Fiverr boosts profiles that are complete. So what services are hot in 2025? AI writing, blog posts, product descriptions, social captions. Businesses pay $10 to $50 for content that takes you minutes with the right AI tool. AI graphic design, logos, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, pitch decks. AI design tools create polished visuals in minutes, and sellers flip them for $20, $50, even $100. AI video editing, adding captions, trimming clips, cleaning audio. Short-form content is exploding, and businesses can't keep up. AI, voiceovers, and transcription. Voice models sound nearly identical to humans, perfect for ads, courses, or training videos. Another overlooked niche is AI presentation design. Think PowerPoints, slide decks, or sales presentations. Companies pay well for these because they save hours of work. With AI templates, you can deliver professional decks quickly, and many freelancers charge $50 to $200 per project. To put this in perspective, if you sell 3 blog posts at $25 each and 1 logo at $50, that's $125 in a single day. Repeat that just 4 times per week, and you're already at $2,000 a month. Add higher ticket services like funnel design or video packages, and you're in the range of $3,000 to $5,000 monthly. Competition on Fiverr is real, but most sellers never optimize their gigs. That's your advantage. Use clear titles with keywords like AI-powered, fast delivery, or professional design. Upload examples of practice work to showcase quality, and start with competitive pricing to build reviews. Then scale up as your reputation grows. Don't forget to add search tags. Many beginners leave this blank, but keywords like AI writing, AI design, or YouTube Shorts editor help Fiverr match you to buyers. Also, understand Fiverr's seller levels. New sellers start at level 0. Complete 10 orders with good reviews and you move to level 1, which boosts your visibility. Level 2 and top-rated seller status open the door to bigger clients and premium pricing. Treat every order like an opportunity to climb that ladder. Fiverr in 2025 is wide open for anyone willing to use AI tools the smart way. Whether it's writing, design, video, or voice, there are clients right now looking for someone who can deliver quickly and reliably. Here's one final tip. Don't overpromise. Deliver exactly what you advertise, do it on time, and your reviews will carry you further than fancy graphics ever could. Fiverr rewards consistency. Fast replies, on-time delivery, and satisfied clients. If you're ready to start, I've linked my Fiverr affiliate in the description. It's free to join and one of the fastest ways to begin earning online. Subscribe for more AI side hustle guides and comment below which Fiverr gig you'd launch first. Don't just watch. Take action today.